Welcome to Signup. We're proud to save you time and make participating easy. In this short video, we'll show you how to change or cancel your assignments if you're already signed up for something. Starting with how it works on a mobile device. Begin by finding your confirmation email and clicking your personal link. This lets Signup recognize you and takes you directly to your assignments. The email will come from mail@Signup.com, and the link will say view/change my commitments. If you can't find it, just go to Signup.com and click on this button. You will enter your email address and Signup will resend your links along with a summary of your upcoming assignments. You'll never need a password to access Signup as a participant. Just click the link in the email. Once your Signup opens, go to your assignment. If you need help finding it, tap the 3-bar menu in the upper right. Then, click My Spots to view your current assignments. To make a change, tap the spot you want to update. If you need to remove it completely, tap the trash can icon and confirm. If you'd like to sign up for a different spot, tap the back arrow twice to go back to the main sign-up screen. From a computer or tablet, the process is very similar. Use the link in your email to open the sign-up. Click Show My Spots to see your existing commitments. Find the assignment you'd like to change and click the button My Spots. From the drop-down menu, select Remove, then click Yes to confirm. You can then choose a new spot if needed. Click Done at the top of the screen to confirm all your changes. If the swap feature is enabled on your sign-up, you'll see an option to request a swap. Click the Swap button and choose a few times you're available. Signup will send out a request to swap email to those assigned to the spots you checked. Your contact information will stay private, and you'll be notified if anyone accepts the request. Swap is also available on mobile here. As a courtesy, please remember to let your organizer know if you make any last-minute changes. You'll find their contact info in your confirmation and reminder emails, and in the menu of your sign-up. If you have questions or need help, please reach out to them directly. And that's it. When it's your turn to coordinate activities and events at work, school, or in the community, we've got your back. Signup is the easiest way to bring people together.